Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and join the family. Please do like and subscribe and make sure that you hit that notification button. So today I will be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be basically showing you my makeup routine for my day-to-day whereabouts. So today I am going to go on a wine farm date with you know who, my man. I just want to look my best and look cute, so let's get into it. So today I just wanted to do more of a really smoky and sexy look, so let us start with priming our face and we'll get there when we get there. So these are my two favorite primers, the Fenty Pro Filter Primer and the Wet n Wild Primer Serum. So I'm going to be using both of these today on my face. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 290. Then I'm going to be using this Catrice foundation in the shade, it actually doesn't even show, but yeah, this is what it looks like.
My foundation probably looks way too light, but because Fenty does oxidize so much, I can't really use my exact shade.
My trust in you. What will you do? You just step back.
Then to contour, I'm going to be using a darker foundation shade. I don't use a darker concealer, and this is in the shade MD2N. So it is by Yardley, and I'm going to be using this to contour. So I don't need a lot, so I'm just going to directly apply it to my foundation brush.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. It's first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child.
These are the two foundations that I use. I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer and my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer.
So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we.
For the base of my blush, I'm going to be using the Fenty Cream blush. It is in the shade Daiquiri Dip.
What I like to do is wait for my concealer to dry on my face before really applying it on my face, so I can get a much more fuller coverage.
When I do blend my foundation with a beauty sponge, I always make sure I wet it, and I usually do that with a setting spray. I find this part of doing my makeup the most satisfying. I just love concealing my under eyes for some weird reason.
To set my face, I'm going to be using my absolute favorite, the Yardley Translucent Loose Powder.
Forget about being a clean girl, or forget about the clean girl aesthetic. I am going to bake my face until I am satisfied or I am mattified. I absolutely love the dewy look, but I just feel like it doesn't last as long as a properly baked face. This is a contour palette from V Beauty. It is my absolute favorite. I literally use it for everything. I even use it as an eyeshadow, and I am going to be using it as an eyeshadow as well for this video. Because this is such a highly pigmented contour palette, a little goes a long way.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
For my highlights, I'm going to be using that shade.
You amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you want?
Now for my blush, I am going to mix this orange shade with this pink shade. This is really pigmented, so I suggest if you do have this palette, only use the least amount of palette.
On the grassland side by side, you could be my baby, and you're making my lady, girl, you amaze me.
It is time to start with our brows. So I'm going to be using the Brow Fix by Catrice. Then there's Spoolie.
My love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Then we are also going to set our brows. This is key to how I do my brows. For my brows, I'm going to be using the LA Girl eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, but I use it as a brow pencil. I'm going to do this off camera because I need to focus. Now I am done doing my brows and concealing them. It is time to do my eyeshadow and finish up.
So like I said, I'm going to be using my contour palette for my eyeshadow. So what I'm basically doing is I am gradually darkening the colors in the outer corners of my eye.
Now we're going to use this as like we're going to add it for smokiness.
Now I am using a black eyeliner to intensify the look from Wet n Wild. To complete this look, I'm going to use an eyeliner from Catrice and my mascara from Essence. Trust me to overline my lips each and every time. I am going for a much more nudie look, but a bit more on the darker side. To brighten up my lip, I'm just going to be using a concealer, any concealer, it doesn't matter as long as it brightens it up. Then I am going to set my lips. Yes, I set my lips. This is key to a lasting lip look.
Now it is time for my highlighter. So I'm gonna first start off with my Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow that I usually use as a highlighter. The color is phenomenal. I mean, just look at that.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
Just for extraness, I'm gonna be using this Fenty How Many Carats, what is it even called? How Many Carats shade. Now look at that. So I just wanted to basically balance my cooler tone with my much more warmer tone.
I am finally done. It is time to put on my lashes and style my hair.
All day long.
This is the final look. I am absolutely happy with my results. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button for more like this. And before I head out, I am going to drown myself in this perfume.